You cannot believe what I just bought today. Lucas. Okay, so I just bought him in the malls. I thought he was out a long time ago, and lots of people got him. But I searched YouTube today. All the Lucas videos are fake, and I can't find anything else. I think I'm the first one to have it. I think only. Anyways, let's unbox this Lucas. Sorry to all those box collectors, but I hope cross fingers, subscribers, bosses, cross fingers. I hope I'm the first one to get this Lucas AMIIBO. Oh, sorry. Ooh, nice. Oh yeah. Hey, that smell is good. First ever Lucas AMIIBO in hand. So I gotta upload this quick so I'll be better to see, and I'll get a lot of views. Peace, guys.